The pod really is there to help, and there's no embarrassment or anything. It's always a friendly, open environment.
You can go to them for anything. If it's an issue with your admissions, with student finance, they have someone who will be there.
Hugh Baird has the edge on these other courses for the simple fact that you've got the artists in place teaching you with that industry experience, who have been there, done that, made all the mistakes.
They adapted to my learning style. If I didn't fully get something, then they would be patient enough with me to make sure that they explained it in a way that I would understand.
I can't thank the people who helped me, which were the tutors, enough for what they've done, because I would not be doing this if it wasn't for them.
I would say it's intense, but they've got the right tutors that will support you, provided you're ready to put in the hard work.
The tutors, mentors, you create a bond with them.
I had a lot of support from the tutors as well. We would just end up being like a big family at the end of it.
Being able to actually get help to come out of my shell and become a better person was fantastic.